This is the Vet's Best Flea and Tick Dog Shampoo. I got the peppermint scent for my dog. So I have been using this for quite some time now. It's been well over a year or 2 years. So in the past, I was using this, and then I decided to switch it to buy one from TJ Maxx just because I wanted a different scent. The minute that I switched over, my dog started getting like the little scabs on his back. So I decided to buy it again. Again, from the first shower with this shampoo, my dog's skin started getting better. With that being said, I really do love that it is a plant-based formula so that I know it's safe. And then I also love the fact that it kills ticks and fleas and larvae on contact the minute that you're giving them a bath with this shampoo, because then I feel better because my dog is a house dog, okay? He doesn't go outside a lot, and when he does go outside, I worry because I don't have like the collar to kill the fleas, or I don't give him medicine for that since he is in the house. So the best thing that I found was this shampoo. Honestly, it leaves his coat super shiny. It doesn't do anything bad to him. I don't have to worry about him, you know, having skin irritations or having something in his shampoo that is not good for him. Because I did see a few companies had really bad things in their shampoos that were causing their pets to have issues. I love that it is plant-based. I love that it gets the job done. It's a one and done. I shampoo my dog twice with it when I do give him a shower, and even within like 2 to 3 weeks, if you smell him, you still smell the mint in the shampoo. So that's amazing. It also really helps deodorize him in ways that any other shampoo that I've bought did not do. Absolutely amazing. And I do want to buy the spray as well because they also have a spray of the same kind. So in between, I guess, showers that you shower your dog with the shampoo, you could spray them with it to make sure that, you know, if they did catch any flea or a tick from going outside once, you know that you can take care of it by just spraying them. And then not only that, but you deodorize them.